This is Finns Point National Cemetery. This cemetery contains the graves of 2,436 Confederate soldiers who died while prisoners of war at Fort Delaware. All right, we're going to take a walk around here, and this site is significant because if you remember back in 1997, Andrew Cunanan, who shot Versace down in Florida, and he killed some other people too, but he had stopped here at the cemetery and killed the caretaker. I believe his name was Mr. Reese, to get his truck. And believe me, this cemetery is off the beaten path down here in South Jersey. I mean, it's you know, you're not near really civilization here. So how he got here, I don't know here, but that's the story. I'll put some more info maybe on the screen, but let's go over and see what it says over here. Well, here it tells you about Fort Mott and the cemetery, and we're right down by Fort Mott, and the cemetery is like right over here. So it's like, you know, if you take Route 295, you're not too far off of that, or the New Jersey Turnpike. So Cunanan might have taken 295 because there's no tolls. Didn't have to stop at any toll booths, but out of the way place here, out of the way place here. And here's Finns Point National Cemetery. We got shadows in back of us here. And it says you are here. This is where I am. I'm going to try to walk around here and see what we can find. And if I see a human, I'll ask them about the drone here. So, okay, let's walk up here then. Take a look here. We got graves over here on this side. And I don't know if these are for the Confederate soldiers. Most of these are recent ones here. Died 2011. All soldiers here, it looks like. Yeah, recent deaths. Well, within recent times here. So very nicely laid out here with the flags. We'll take a few pictures of this later on here. But very nice here, nice and quiet here at the cemetery. Okay, there's some more graves over there, all lined up. Nice, they really got it nicely laid out here with the flags for all the veterans here. I like this, nice cemetery here, very nice. And here's another one here. You can stop the video if you want to read this about the Confederate burials here in the National Cemetery. And we also got a larger plaque over here addressed by President Lincoln at the dedication of the Gettysburg National Cemetery in 1863. Of course, 77 years ago, etc., etc., etc. So there's the whole Gettysburg Address. Not very long, but a very nice plaque here. Very nice. Okay. There's some more plaques about the National Cemetery system. And we got Finns Point here, of course. You want to read this one, you can go ahead and read it here. Okay. All right. Here in back of the office or the caretaker's house, we got a number of different plaques here with different sayings on them. And kind of cold today too. My hands are cold here. But at least the sun was out and it's not too windy. So that's why I wanted to come down today here. So, all right, as I come back here, there's more graves over here. Looks like older ones here, because these look like the older stones. Here, we'll walk around, and these probably all veterans too here, I guess. And we'll see very nicely with the flags here. And these were people that died, oh, it looks like 1937, 1938, 50s, 75, and there's Tomlin, died in 1912. It's a little worn down up there, but a number of them here. Well, here's one here, 1954. This one's in pretty good shape here, but very nice. They got this laid out, and there's a big monument over there on the other side of the trees. So let's see what that one says over there. We'll walk around here. There's all the graves there. Let's see what this one is. Yeah. Look at that big monument up there. Looks like they got, maybe these are all the Confederate soldiers, the 2,400 of them or so. Here's all the different names. Yeah, these are all southern states, so these are probably all the Confederate soldiers, because they were Alabama, Virginia, Tennessee, Florida, North Carolina. Yeah, probably a lot of them. It was nice they got the names of them here. Look at all more of them around here. More names. We're going to walk around here. See, you got all four sides. Wow. Look at this here. We got some sun problems here, but that's all right. And off in the distance, I got to cover my hand there. Got another one over there, but here's more of the names. You can see some of the names: Mississippi, Alabama, Kentucky, Virginia. Yeah, the company, the regiment, the name. You got some names up there too. I don't know if your name makes it up to the top or to the bottom, what the significance is there. I don't know, but there it is up there. Some more down here too. And we got the other side. We still got some Christmas stuff left over here from Christmas, because today's, I don't know, January 12th or something like that. Oh, it says erected by the United States to mark the burial place of 2,436 Confederate soldiers who died at Fort Delaware while prisoners of war, and whose graves cannot now be individually identified. Very nice, giant monument too. Very nice indeed. Okay. Well, here we have another monument. The big one that I was at is in the back. And this one here has some names, but these look like Union guys here, because they're all like, well, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Delaware, a number of different ones here. Walk around here. Yeah, Maryland, Pennsylvania. And these are a little hard to see, a little worn down here, but a lot from Delaware and Pennsylvania here. So, come back over here. I still got a wreath here from Christmas time, and this one you can just about read. It's just pretty much all blotched out, and there's some graves over here that we're going to look at here in a second here. So, okay.